everybody, so welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Praise, and in this video we are going to try wave formers on wet hair and also on silk press hair. I silk pressed my hair about a week ago, and 5 days after, which is what it looks like now, I did wave formers on it. All right, this is before wave formers, so you're gonna see what it looks like after. So I ordered my wave formers from eBay, and it cost me £22.99. It took about a week for it to arrive. So there's 12 in a pack, and I bought 48 pieces, which is 4 packs. I bought the longest one, which is 65 centimeters, as if I had a waist length hair. Yeah, I think that's just in my head. I didn't need it that to be that long, but anyway. So the longer, the more pricier it is. So this is the hook that came with it. I have 4 of them because I bought 4 packs. All right, so you slide the hook through, and then at the end of it, you put your head through that little hole right there, and then you pull it through the waveformer. I'll show you how I used it in a bit. So this is my hair. I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and so that my hair doesn't dry out, I took like big sections of my hair, I'll say about 8, and then I applied some oil to my scalp. I smoothed some aloe vera gel all the way through it, and then I applied a little bit of whipped shea butter. I used a white tooth comb. I combed the hair, and then I twisted it, and then I bantu knot it. All right, because I don't want my hair to dry out. I want my hair to stay wet even till the last one, and it just makes the whole process a lot easier when you section your hair as well. So I just take a section of the hair, I brush it through, and then I smooth it in, and then I twist it at the bottom, and then I put the hook in place. I put my hair through there, and then I just slide my hair through. All right, so it's very simple. If you hook it and it's not sliding through, don't force it, just start over again. All right, so can you see how I did it there? I kind of like folded my one up, so when I hook it, my hair was almost to the end, and then I hold the bottom, and then I literally pull the wave formers through. So my hair is dry, as you can see. I'm unraveling. Just check out these girls, man. Like, just check them out. Oh gosh, they look so beautiful. But my ends were a little kind of frizzy though, and the hair was very flat as well. But my curls were beautiful. I actually did like it. So I split my hair into smaller sections to create more volume, and as you can see, I got some frizz as well as I unravel. But all in all, I actually did like it. It lasted me a day, and the next day there was a lot more frizz. So there you have it. I noticed that when I do large curls like this, they don't really last me like if I do like a twist out. So there you go. Here is my hair 5 days after I straighten it, and we are going to do the waveformers on my straight hair. So it's the same thing. I twist the bottom, and then I slide my hair through. I did apply sweet almond oil, just a little bit in my hair, and that's about it. That's the only product I used anyway on my straight hair. So it was like halfway through the waveformer. Yeah, they were pretty long. So as I actually slept in this, by the way, and it was very uncomfortable. It's a lot easier for me to sleep with my perma set than this. And this is what my curls are looking with my silk pressed hair. So on your left is the curls from wet hair, and then on your right is the curls from straightened hair. Very identical, right? You don't need to straighten your hair to get a good result with this stuff. I actually do like the wet hair more than the straightened hair version. The curls with my straight hair was so flat. I just went ahead and I brushed my hair all the way through. This is what it looked like. It just gave me like a nice wavy, look. That's it. That's it. What it looked like at the end of the day. All the curls were literally gone. So there you go. I just wanted to show you guys something. I did perma set after that. And I think a day after the Waveformers on my silk press hair, I did perm hair, and this is the result. I had more volume and the curls were literally there, and it wasn't as flat as you can see. So there you go. I thought you might want to say it. Thank you very much for watching. And please leave your thoughts and comments down below. Which one did you like best, the wet hair look or the straight hair one? And I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.